Today's video I'm going to show you how to delete an Instagram account in less than few minutes. So first I open Instagram on my Android phone. Now click on this profile action icon. Again you need to click on three dot menu. Again just click on account center. Then scroll down. Now click on personal details. Then again click on account ownership and control. Then click on deactive or deletion. So I want to delete this account permanently. Just if you have multiple account, you need to select an account. So I have only single account in this mobile phone, so I select this one. If you have a multiple, you can select which account you want to delete. Now again, select your account deletion purpose, deactive or delete account. So I want to delete. Just click on continue. Again, you need to select why you delete this account. So I select this something else. You can select any others as well. Then you need to write your password right now. So I write my password, Instagram password. Now click on confirm. Again, if you click on delete account, uh, it will be deleted. So wow, it's already working. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.